Monogram Side-by-Side refrigerator making whirring/buzzing permanent sound. Icemaker was turned off but noise continues. Please help.
Thank you for using JustAnswer. I will be glad to assist you in your answer. Think about safety when doing repairs: electric, water, gas, ect. What is the model #XXXXX, the data sticker on the fridge section? Where do you hear the sound from the strongest? Fridge, freezer, back of unit, top, bottom.ect.
Hi Jason, model GE Monogram ZFSB26DNASS Sound comes from left rear/side of the fridge, standing in front of the two side-by-side doors.
Pull the fridge out from the wall and walk around to the back side. There will be a panel at the bottom that stretches across the back. Remove that panel. The sound may be coming from the fan, or the big black round compressor. Please respond back with where you find the sound, if it is coming from back there. Thank you.
Unfortunately, I cannot do it now because of the noise I will make. Family is sleeping already. Sorry about that. Would it be possible to go through potential causes? I will check the back of the fridge on Saturday. The sound stops when opening the freezer door.
If it is the compressor, then it will have to be replaced by a technician. The fan may have something hitting the blades, or the bearings may be going out on it. One last thing is that water tubing, or freon tubing may be rubbing, making a noise. If none of those odds are correct, there is a circuit board behind the smaller panel on the back side of the unit as well. A relay could be buzzing on that board, which means it will have to be replaced. Just put this question in your favorites to refer back to when you get a chance to look back there. Respond back when you do for further assistance. If you are able to find the problem without more assistance, please give me a great rating for answering your question. If not, I will help you further when you respond back. Thanks again.
I will check the back of the fridge on Saturday and will get back to you with my findings to try to isolate the issue. Thank you very much for your help today, and I will reach out again on Saturday for sure.
Thank you for using us for help. I will return an answer as soon as I hear back from you. Thanks again.
Hi Jason, I finally got a chance to check the back of the refrigerator. The sound is not coming from the bottom rear, not from the compressor, not from the motherboard/circuit panel. The buzzing sound is coming from an area located on the upper half of the back of the fridge. If you open the freezer door on the front, the location would be behind the area where the lamp is, underneath the ice drawer. It sounds like a fan to me. I tried turning on the Icemaker, and it did make ice without any problem, so it does not look like it is creating the issue. Any way to check the fan from the inside of the freezer? It does not look like there is a panel door on the back to access it. Please advise when you get a chance. Thanks.
#XXXXX is the fan. You will have to remove all the shelves and rear covers, Icemaker ect, to get to the fan motor. The part #XXXXX the fan is WR60 by 10,185, cost is about $53. You can get the part at SearsPartsDirect.com. This is the best diagram to follow what has to be taken off to get to the fan motor. It sounds like the bearings have gone out on the fan. If you feel that this task might be more than you want to tackle, then you may want to hire a technician to do this job. You nearly have to completely disassemble the freezer to replace this fan. FYI. The fan is actually located behind the panel number 167. If you can get to it easier than taking everything out, good luck. I have never found any easier way to do it. If you find this information helpful, please give me a great rating, or respond back for more information. If needed. Thank you again.
Jason, thanks for the promptly response. Before giving you a great rating for all your help, one last question. Agree with you that looks too complicated to do it myself. Any idea what a reasonable dollar range to repair this would be? I see the part is not much, but I'm thinking about the labor component. Thanks again for all your help.
This would be a wide range. A local independent would charge about $150, whereas a reputable company would charge about $250. Now saying this, remember, you get what you pay for. But $250 should be about top dollar for this repair. Make sure to stand behind the repairman as a distance and monitor that he or she plug everything back in, installs correctly, doesn't break anything, ect. Plus, you can see how to get back there if ever needed for another part breakage. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.